Alright, this is Webb back again to sing you another song a cappella. Soon I'll be having instrumentalists, hopefully, if they want to be involved. Some of these songs were meant to be sung a cappella, and some of these songs I just sing a cappella because they're so beautiful. The next song is One Such Song, shortened because I won't have an instrumental break. It was released posthumously by a great singer and songwriter, Eva Cassidy, and it is the title song from her posthumous album, Songbird. For you, there'll be no crying. For you, the sun will be shining, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbird keeps singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before. To you, I would give the world. To you, I'd never be cold, 'cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before.